Hey everyone, have you created YouTube videos that deserve a second life? What if I told you a single YouTube video can become an ebook for completely free? In this video, I will show you how to convert any YouTube video into a professional ebook using free tools and AI. Let's get started.
Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description.
The first thing you will need is the transcript of the video. So let's take an example of any video. I will take one video, a random one, right? So this video is about how to earn from YouTube community posts, right? So the simplest way is go to the video. You can see this option over here, show transcript, and copy transcript, and just go and save it as a text file, right? So I have saved the transcript of the video, right? This is the first part. To ChatGPT or any AI assistant you use the transcript file. I am uploading the transcript file over here, right? And now I will give a prompt, turn this YouTube transcript into a well structured, right? A very simple prompt I've given. I will add this prompt in the video description if you want to use, or in even the pinned comment. You can check if you want the prompt to convert any video of yours into ebook. And now within seconds, AI will organize your transcript into chapters, right? So you can see chapter wise they have created an ebook. You can even ask AI to explain concepts in more detail, add practical examples, create summaries. So you can ask them to add examples in each chapter, right? So the first part is, so let's say, so you can see it has created a ebook in itself. You can, as I mentioned, you can suggest to add images, you can generate checklist, you can create summaries, you can add practical examples, you can ask it to add it, and you can ask it to export it as well. Now once your content is ready, you can use free tools like Canva, Google Docs, Microsoft Word to add cover page, headings, images, page numbers, and your branding. So the simplest way, I won't go into too much detail, but Canva has templates for ebooks, right? So I'll just show how you can check for one ebook template. But I'm just going on Canva. This is a free version. You can just go and you can see there are templates for ebooks. A lot of these are free. You can select the one which suits your niche and the style in which you are presenting the data. You can just click on any and start inputting the content you have created, and it will basically just you have to export the book and it's ready, right? So once you add a page, you can see you can just start adding pages over here, right? So there are a lot of things which you can do very easily. You can add page numbers. You can do this in a Word, Microsoft Word, or Google Docs as well. And once you are done, you can click on share to click on download as a PDF, print PDF standard, right? So this is the simplest way where in which you can create an ebook from your YouTube video. And once the YouTube video is done, you can publish it into different formats. You can publish the video into a blog article, a newsletter, like I do for my channel, right? You if you guys are not subscribed to YouTube with Saave newsletter, you can go and subscribe ytsave.substack.com, right? All our newsletters are published 3 times a week, just like our videos. You can convert this into X threads, Facebook post, LinkedIn post, Instagram carousel, right? Now, one thing is, if you're converting your own YouTube videos, you're good to go. But if you're using someone else's video, always get permission before turning them into an ebook or distributing it. Respect copyright and intellectual property. That's how you can convert a YouTube video into an ebook completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel YouTube with Saave and share it with fellow creators.